Let's take a look at this example. We're supposed to find again minimum and maximum values of this resistor. First, we have to find the nominal value. Brown, blue, yellow. Brown is 1, blue is 6, yellow 4 zeros. Okay, remember the third band represents the number of zeros. Yellow is 4, that's why I have 4 zeros. Gold plus minus 5%. If you are going to move the decimal point 3 times to the left side, you'll have 160 kilo ohms plus minus 5%. R minimum is equal to nominal value 160 kilo ohms minus 160 kilo ohms times the tolerance 0.05 is going to give me 152 kilo ohms. This is the possible minimum value of the resistor. Now if I want to find R max, this is equal 160 kilo ohms, again nominal value, plus nominal value times the tolerance 5% is equal 168 kilo ohms. This is the possible maximum value of the resistance. Again, please make sure that you are not going to forget about kilos, because students have tendency to ignore the prefix. You have to enter these numbers into the calculator as 160 exp to the third power plus 160 exp to the third. Remember, this is the key, special key on your scientific calculator, times 0.05. It's supposed to give you 168 times 10 to the third, which is kilo ohms. So this is the solutions to this problem. The very first thing which we're supposed to do is supposed to find the nominal value of this resistor. Red is 2, orange is 3, green at the third position is telling me that I'm going to have 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ohms, and the tolerance is plus minus 10%. Next, I'm supposed to convert decimal notation to engineering notation, move the decimal point 3 times. You have kilo, but the number on the left side of decimal point is greater than 999. That's why I have to keep moving. 1, 2, 3, another 3 places. So together I move 6 times. That's why I'm going to have 2.3 mega ohms. Remember, anytime you move the decimal point 3 times, you will have kilo. Anytime you will move the decimal point 6 times, you will have mega. Plus minus 10%. Next, I have to find the possible minimum value of this resistor. R minimum is equal nominal value, which is equal 2.3 mega ohms minus 2.3 mega ohms times 10%. 10% is 0.1 is equal 2.07 mega ohms. This is the possible minimum value of my resistance. R max is equal 2.3 mega ohms plus 2.3 mega ohms times the tolerance 0.1 is equal 2.53 mega ohms. This is the possible maximum value of my resistance. Again, please keep in mind that you cannot ignore megas. You're supposed to use the EXP or double E keys in order to enter the proper powers of 10, in order to get the proper answer. So these two answers, they are solution to my problem.